First at 6, the Supreme Court striking down claims that a ban on gender-affirming care just a few states over was unconstitutional. It's left many trans South Carolinians worried about what it could mean for them. Claire Weber spoke with the ACLU about an ongoing legal fight here and if yesterday's decision throws out its challenge. Claire?
Katie, South Carolina is one of 26 states with a similar ban to Tennessee's, but lawyers say this decision doesn't end all other legal challenges, including one against the Palmetto State.
The decision from the Scarametti case, I think, will go down in history as one of the worst decisions of the United States Supreme Court.
Local LGBTQ+ advocates still reeling from a landmark Supreme Court decision okaying a Tennessee ban on gender-affirming care. It's similar, but not identical, to South Carolina's law, which goes further, impacting adults.
It was sold to the public as being about protecting youth. But one, it doesn't protect anybody. And two, it directly impacts adults who are receiving gender-affirming care because it restricts the use of public funds and the use of Medicaid.
That ban is currently being challenged in court by transgender South Carolinians and the ACLU. The group says its argument boils down to equal protection under the law.
Some of these treatments and medications are regularly prescribed for things other than gender dysphoria. South Carolina's law only restricts the use of those treatments for people with gender dysphoria.
On the other side, Governor Henry McMaster arguing that protecting children from gender transition procedures should be common sense, a claim with no teeth, according to the ACLU.
They've said that this is about surgery when there's no record of gender-affirming surgery on minors in our state.
Many now questioning how Wednesday's high court decision could impact other controversial areas, like transgender athletes in sports or the use of public bathrooms.
We have seen these pieces of legislation in South Carolina, have defeated many of these pieces of legislation in South Carolina, and we will continue to do that.
Regardless of what any court says, we are still here fighting.
Leaders with the ACLU of South Carolina say the lawsuit here was temporarily paused while the court waited on this Scarametti decision. That challenge will now resume. Working for you, Claire Weber, News 4.